Hello viewers, I Vinod Kumar Chauhan welcomes you in my YouTube channel CQ means Chauhan Coaching Classes. We are going to solve the question number 1 of exercise 6.3. Question number 1 is what could be the possible ones digit of the square root of the following numbers. Here we are talking about the ones digit only. So the first number is 9801, in which the ones place digit is 1. When we take the square of the 1, then the answer is 1 multiplied by 1, that is 1. So the ones place digit is what? That is 1. And in the case of 9, when we take the square of 9, then it is what? It is 9 into 9 gives you the 9 9s are 81. In this case, again the ones place digit is 1. So the answer of this question is what? That is 1 and 9. In these two cases, the ones place digit is 1. Now the next number is 99856, in which the ones place digit is 6. So when we derive the square root of 99856, it should be 6 at the ones place. So in the case of 4, when we take the square of 4, that is 4 multiplied by 4 gives us the 16. So in 16 the ones place digit is what? That is 6. And in case of 6, when we take the square of 6, that is 6 multiplied by 6, that is 36. Again the ones place digit is 6. So the answer of this part is what? That is 4 and 6. Now the third number, that is 998001. In this case the ones place digit is 1. We already check here, it is 1 square and 9 square. So the answer of this question is what? That is 1 and 9. Because in the case of 1, when we take the square of 1, that is 1 multiplied by 1 gives the 1, and we need the ones place digit is 1. In case of 9, it is 9 multiplied by 9, that is 81. In this case, again the ones place digit is 1, because we need the 1 at the ones place. So the answer of this part is 1 and 9. Now the last part, the number is 657666025. The ones place digit is what? That is 5. It means when we take the square root of this number, we want the ones place digit is 5. So it is possible in this case when we take the square of 5, that is 5 multiplied by 5, it gives us the 25, in which the ones place digit is what? That is 5. So the answer for this part is what? That is 5. These are the solution of all the 4 parts. Question number 2 of exercise 6.3. Without doing any calculation, find the numbers which are surely not perfect squares. The first part is 153, second is 257, third is 408, and the fourth part is 441. We know that the condition for checking the perfect squares is all square numbers ending with the 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9, 8 units place. It means what? If the square numbers are there, then they are ending with the 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9, 8 units place. Now on the basis of this condition we can check our given numbers. The first number is 153 and it is ending with 3. It is not 0, it is not 1, it is not 4, it is not 5, it is not 6 or it is not 9. It means it is not a perfect square. So we can write no, it is not a perfect square. Now in 257, again we are checking its ones place digit is what? That is 7, and it is not ending with the 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9. So it is not a perfect square. We can write here no. Now the third number, that is 408. The ones place digit is what? That is 8. It is not 0, not 1, not 4, not 5, not 6, not 9. It is 8. So the answer is no, it is not a perfect square. Finally, the fourth number, that is 441, and it is ending with the 1. And our condition says all square numbers ending with 0, 1, 1. Yes, it is 1. So the answer for this part is yes, it is a perfect square.